Hey, if you are wondering why your JBL Go 5 speaker is not turning on, well, in the most cases, the problem is with the deep battery discharge. So, if the battery completely drains to zero, the protective circuit turns the speaker off completely, and it might look totally dead and won't respond right away when you press the power button. And the solution for this is quite simple, because you have to just simply plug it in for like 30 minutes into the charger and then try to turn it on. If it is not working for some reason, sometimes it will connect with second point. So what is the second point? Like the bad cable or dirty USB-C port or dirty cable. So if you have some mess here, some greasy marks, some pieces of the dust, or for example you are unable to fully put it inside, then it means that it's not going to charge properly, or it's not going to charge at all. So this, the battery discharge will be still available, and this is the reason why you have to switch and simply try to charge this device with a different cable or with a different power adapter. But also sometimes you can get some firmware glitch, software lock, and you have to try to perform a reset of this device by holding the play button and the volume up button for 2 seconds. And if it is still not working for some reason, well, maybe the battery is like completely dead and it's not due to the discharging problem. So you will have to actually take advantage of service. I was about to say service provider, but customer service actually.